everyone. Welcome to Grammar Chat. I'm Yvonne, your host. Today, we'll talk about the present simple tense. My friend Jack is here to learn with us.
Hey, Yvonne. I'm super excited, but I have no clue where to start. What's this present simple all about? And, why is it so simple?
Great question, Jack. The present simple tense is used to talk about things we do regularly, like habits, routines, or facts. It's perfect for describing everyday life.
Oh, okay, like I drink coffee every morning?
Exactly. That's a perfect example. I drink coffee is in the present simple tense. Easy, right?
Can I say I drinks coffee? I thought we sometimes add an S to verbs.
Oh, nice point. For most subjects like I, you, we, and they, we just use the base verb drink, eat, watch. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we add an S or sometimes ES to the verb. For example, she drinks coffee.
Oh, so it's like he watches Peaky Blinders at night?
That's it. You've got it, Jack.
Wait, so do we always add the S?
Only with he, she, or it in positive sentences. For other subjects, no S. So, I watch TV, but she watches TV. See the difference?
Got it. So if I say he play games, that's wrong, right?
Bingo! It should be he plays games. Let's try some examples together. I'll say the subject and you make a positive sentence. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, the subject is they, and the verb is play football.
They play football.
Perfect! Now, the subject is she, and the verb is love pizza.
She loves pizza?
That's right, you're doing well. Let's do a quick recap before we go. The present simple tense is used for habits, routines, and facts. For most subjects like I, you, we, and they, just use the base form of the verb, like I play games, or they watch TV.
And for he, she, or it, I remember. We add an S or ES to the verb, like he plays games or she watches TV.
Exactly, Jack. You've got it. Positive sentences are simple. Just keep the subject and the right verb form. Practice it in real-life situations like talking about your day or your favorite shows.
This feels easy now. Thanks a lot for explaining it clearly.
You're doing great. Keep practicing, and in the next episode, we'll cover negative sentences, another way to express yourself.
Looking forward to it.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep in mind, grammar is here to help. See you next time.